Hello and welcome, Greg here from Volkswagen Birmingham Centre, showing with you today this approved used Volkswagen Transporter, available here in a much sought after Highline short wheelbase and powered by a 2-litre TDI 204 PS engine with a DSG automatic gearbox and finish here in deep black pearl. Loads to enjoy with this model, with key equipment highlights featuring full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, and when visibility drops there are even front and rear fog lights. Round the side you will also enjoy the stylish 17-inch alloy wheels contrasting against the paint, as well as LED tail lights offering your transporter a distinctive look for the night. Inside the cabin, your twin passengers will enjoy two-tone cloth upholstery, and also there's a reinforced bulkhead as well with metal covering in the back as well for all your cargo needs. Additionally, the back also offers a wide opening, allowing you to slide in very heavy and very large items, and there is even a detachable tow bar on offer. Whilst the driver will certainly enjoy the captain's chair featuring twin armrest setup for maximum comfort. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel offering adaptive cruise control needs, and the TFT screen will offer digital speedometer as well as a host of active safety systems, whilst there is even music and Bluetooth needs as well. In the centre, the infotainment touchscreen will also offer physical shortcuts on either side and comes packed with the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs, whilst pairing your phone for Bluetooth is incredibly easy as well. Best of all, both AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone projection is available with a fully adjustable speaker sound system which will appeal to many of you. To help you park, audible and visual parking sensors are complemented by a full reverse parking camera with guidelines. Whilst moving down below, easy to use air conditioning will feature winter pack heated front seats for the driver and passenger, as well as a climate heated front windscreen for those frosty mornings. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter Highline that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.